Hello from me, Dina Murray of dinamurray.com and creator of the Online Business Bliss community. Welcome to this video. And today I want to talk about the power tools that you have received at birth. You know, we want things because of the way it makes us feel. And we want lots of things because of the way it makes us feel. We want to feel joy and abundance and gratitude and all these elevated, beautiful states. And yet we feel miserable because we continue to focus on the absence of what it is that we desire. So what if the secret is then really to feel the way that you would feel having what you desire first? And there's a catch. Your thoughts and emotions. It's ironic that the tools that you have that would help you to manifest what you desire are also standing in your way. And how is that, and how can you change that? Well, first of all, you need to clean up your vibration, to clean up your paradigms, to clean up your vibration. So we have 65,000 thoughts a day, of which 95% are subconscious. In other words, you're not aware of them. However, you can see the effect of them in your life by what you have created. So the next logical thing is then to influence your subconscious so that it reflects what you desire, right? That makes sense. Okay, so how do we do that? You need to become aware. Self-awareness is the first step. You need to become acutely aware of what you're thinking and what you are feeling. And of course, that is reflected in your vibration. Now, your vibration, as you know, inspires the law of attraction to bring you the experiences that match your vibration. However, this is an important thing here, is that your thoughts are manifestations of your vibration. So in other words, your vibration manifests in thinking the thought that matches the vibration already. So if you start thinking about something that's not desirable, whether it is the absence of what you want, or whether it is self-doubt or anything from the past, because it's normally from the past, then your vibration, the way you feel, tells you that. And then it's your job to quickly change that. And here is the shift to look at this. This created a huge shift for me, and that is to realize that you are not your thoughts. We are so linked and so defined by our thoughts of what happened. Every little thing, as we know, is recorded in our brains, every little event. However, it's to realize that you are not that. You are not your thoughts, you are not your history, you are not your emotions. You have thoughts. You have emotions. And these are the tools that you received at birth to create your life with. And it's your choice, your free will, of whatever you want to create in your life, in your world. There's nothing that's off limits. The universe brings you just what you are thinking about and what you are creating. So then your job is then to become conscious of what it is that you are vibrating, what is your energy vibration, what you are thinking. Because as we said, your first thought is already the first manifestation. And it's to become aware of that. And before that thought gains momentum in the emotion, and then another thought, and then another thought, and that momentum of what you are thinking can either take you down into the rabbit hole, or it can skyrocket your vibration to accelerate attracting what you want. Okay, so how do you do that? Declare to yourself that you are not your thoughts and you are not your emotions. They are your tools, your divine tools that you are using to create your life. And realize that you decide from now on that you are going to create what you desire. Then it is to be clear on what it is that you want to desire, that you want to create. What is that vision? What is that? What are the images that you're creating in your mind of what it is that you would like to attract, that you would like to manifest in your life? Become clear on that. And focus on them. Have rituals. Have little moments, like every half an hour, even every hour, a number of times a day, where you set aside some time that you spend contemplating your life, contemplating, visualizing, with just enjoying it, what you want to create in your life. That your imagination, just revel in it, enjoy it, feel it, be there, live it, write it out, script it as if it is in the present tense, as if it's already happening now. In other words, you have to create whatever you want in your mind first and own it there before it's going to manifest on the physical plane. And then the next step is to notice it around you. If you would like to experience the things that you want will give you the joy and the abundance and the prosperity, is to notice around you, because you already have prosperity around you, whether it's someone else's or whether it's what you have at the moment, and bless it. If you see someone else in a beautiful home, or drive a beautiful car, or have a beautiful dress, or whatever it is that signifies prosperity to you, is to bless it and to know that that's available to you too. Notice the abundance of nature around you. Find things that make you feel great. Find things that give you joy. Engage in the activities to bring you joy. In other words, live in, these are ways that you can already feel as you would feel having the things that you desire. And once you do that, it starts flowing. This is also significant of what the Bible talks about, of first seek the kingdom of God, and then the rest will come to you. That kingdom of God is the alignment with source energy, is to feel and is to live in the vibration of joy, because that is what God or source is all about. Joy and abundance and prosperity and excitement and enthusiasm, gratitude, all those beautiful emotions. And make it your quest. It's my quest. So I want to invite you to join me on this quest, and everybody else that you know of, invite them along. Make this your quest as well. To be on this journey, to seek to up your vibration, raise your vibration, continuously working on that, striving for that, seeking that, tapping in, tuning in to that high vibration where you feel amazing and amazing things start happening in your life. If you want to know more, if you want to read a little bit more explanation around this, I've written a blog about it as well. You can find it on my blog, dinamarais.com/blog. Plus, go to my website, dinamarais.com, and download the 3 radical consciousness shifts to own your greatness and abundance. It talks about this and some other radical consciousness shifts as well. It has a meditation to support you. It's for free. It's for you. Download it now and make this work for you. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share it. And also click the bell notification to be notified when I make another video. And I'll chat to you soon. Until I see you again, remember, energy is everything. Constantly work on your vibration. Bye for now.